Now, some of our site visitors are going to come to our site and they're going to want to comment on what it is that we have to say in our article. So what they will do is they will find our comment area and then they will put a comment in there. And so in this particular case, we're going to write a comment in. Now in this particular case, the person writing in their comment, they're going to have to leave their name. So we're going to go ahead and go through the same process as if we are them. When you come to the inside of your dashboard, you'll notice that there is a notification under comments. You'll want to check your comments. And if this is something that you like to have on your site, then you'll want to go ahead and approve it. And then you'll want to reply to it. It's always best to reply to comments because that is an indication to your site visitor that you are actually listening to them and they're more inclined to come back and read what you have to say. So we will go ahead and reply. You'll click reply. And then you'll have a conversation started with the person who's actually coming to your site and reading your material. Okay, so with that, thanks, and I will see you in another video.